Do you ever feel like you're going round in circles, forever chasing that elusive silver bullet, the miracle money maker? Perhaps a miracle isn't really what you need. Maybe you just like to finally make money online. Maybe you're sick and tired of the whole thing, but thought you'd take a look at this. I get it, been there. So let me get straight to the details of this for you. In 60 seconds, you could have your hands on 3,000 high-quality PLR MRR ebooks for just $12.95 for the whole lot. That's 0.004 cents each, or less than half a cent each. Now, why would you want them? Well, look, I've done over $1 million in sales online, and it all started with one piece of PLR, and I paid $5 for that one piece. So if I can do 1 million with one, what could you do with 3,000? If you paid $5 each for them, you'd be spending $15,000 here today. So how about I give you a $14,987.50 discount? Sound fair? Imagine having your own giant library ready to start selling in seconds. Of course, we should be charging more like $9.97 at least for this. So this is a complete no-brainer. And it is giant. Introducing Giant Ebook Kit. And take a look at the quality that you can expect to get. But what do 3,000 of these look like? Well, 5 looks a bit like this. 10 would look like this. 50, 500, and 3,000. So many images that even made my fans kick in on my computer. This is the opportunity of a lifetime. And for me, that one piece of PLR literally changed my life.
Hey, my name's Trevor Carr, and thanks so much for checking out the Giant Ebook Kit. Now, just a short time ago, in 2017, I made a massive leap of faith and I went full-time into internet marketing. Since that date, I've done over $1 million in sales, and recently I did $12,000 in commissions, affiliate commissions and prizes in just 1 week. And obviously, I'm blessed to experience that kind of a lifestyle. But the interesting thing is that all of this came from just one piece of PLR. I actually bought a piece of PLR for $5, and that became my first product launch. I pimped it, turned it into something that was much better than it originally was, and I did over $8,000 in that first launch. After that, shortly after that, I then went on to launch another product that taught how I did that with that piece of PLR, and that launch did $35,000 plus. And the rest, as I say, is history. Now, the incredible thing is that all of this came from that one piece of PLR that cost $5. And what do I have for you here? In the Giant Ebook Kit, I've got 3,000 ebooks for you for one low price. That is absolutely ridiculous. So all you need to do is press the buy button and you'll have 3,000 PLR ebooks that you can rename, you can put your name on them, you can rewrite them if you want, you can use them as creative templates, you can pimp them, you can create products from them, but also, what's really, really exciting is you've got 3,000 ebooks there in various different niches that you can use as bonuses. Now, we're covering health, wellness, dating, the usual top money-making niches in this incredible pack. And you can go ahead and use those as bonuses to accelerate your commissions in any of those niches, or you can turn them into your own products and you become a product creator literally with a click of a button and start selling your own products and entering into that market as well. So this is incredible value. There's not much to tell you other than the fact that you get 3,000 of these for this one-time, one low price. So if you fancy following in my footsteps and using PLR to kickstart your business, then why don't you go ahead, click on the buy button below right now, and we'll see you on the other side. All the best.
So click on the buy button now, and I'll also throw in my original Pimper training ebook that teaches you how I took that one piece of PLR and pimped it into over $8,000. I think we're possibly a few grapes short of a bunch for letting this go so cheaply, but that's all good for you. So go ahead and click on the buy button right away. You simply cannot lose with this, and it's covered by a full 30-day money-back guarantee. So click on the buy button, and we'll see you on the inside.